not the best music, but it's something that is just like I said, I'm just messing around with the stuff, trying to see what videos get more views and shit like that. And like I said, one day I got like 1,700 views.
That's sick. What's your channel?
It's just pretty much about like I wanted to start like recording a bunch of the shit like when I was traveling and stuff like that.
Yeah.
But I'm waiting on my passport because I wanted to go ahead and do at least one trip to Mexico before the end of the year, but it's taking forever. And like I said, right now it's just like little shorts, like old pictures. I'm making it kind of like a slide presentation in a way, kind of, but with like different apps, trying to figure out like what works and what gets the most views, and like just pretty much trying to figure it out, you know, like what works.
And I think a lot of it's an algorithm of the title you type too, because you know, like that title, and then if it's good, then you know.
And also you can do like, you can tag it, the video, and put like different tags and stuff like that. So it's just like trying to figure out what works right now, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
So right now it's just a hobby to stay busy, pretty much, in a nutshell. Like trying to mess around for a few hours or something like that, nothing really crazy.
And what's the name of your channel though?
It's just my name.
Oh yeah.
Nothing
Yeah, that's all I
crazy.
did with mine.
Yeah, I ain't got no brand to freaking try to do nothing crazy. No. So like I say, it's just me BSing right now. Trying to figure out what works, what doesn't work. And like I got a few ones I got one that got like over 1,000 views. And then I got some that are getting close to it. And I got some that are stuck at like 7 or 8. So just one of those that, like I said, trying to figure it out.
Hi, my name's Barber.
Editing different freaking
Hey, how are you doing?
like just learning how to do, you know, the thumbnails and stuff like that.
Well, that's what I need to do is download it. There's that other apps you can do, because I haven't even done any, you know, thumbnails or anything yet, but I can do. I would like to do that. That way your video title, you know, just the picture of it looks better.
Thanks. I wasn't sure. How are you, sir?
I've been doing good. How about you?
Very good. Thanks for the haircut last night.
I really appreciate you coming back. Thank you. Thank you very much for coming back. Good to see you.
It's just me jumping out of bed like a crazy person.
Yeah, I think we all did that. It was like.
How did that do this? I just didn't hear it.
I don't know what anybody want to go over the
This, I think the length is pretty good. On the size, I don't remember what you did on the size.
Yeah, I think it was like a 2.
I think so.
Yeah, it's like a close to I think. And then do you want it round, square, or tapered in the back?
You tapered it.
Okay, yeah. So just the 2 with the taper.
We're gonna take it plus.
Oh, sorry.
I'm not kind of.
So also I'm just trying to like figure out what's the best time to like publish the videos and stuff like that. So I've done it before where I publish at midnight, I've done it before where I publish in the afternoon. in the morning. So just like trying to figure out
What's that? You watch him here?
what works with
I
whatever
jumped in the shower and jumped out.
whatever YouTube is smashing it with people.
Yeah.
And it seems like at midnight for me actually was the one that I got the most engagement. But I only got like 14 subscribers, so it's not.
That's still pretty good though,
Yeah.
to get that just from one
And the
shot.
thing was that I actually just started at the beginning of October 11th.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Because I just using my regular YouTube channel, the one that I already got for my account, you know what I mean? So I didn't try to create something, whatever. But yeah, so far I got 14 subscribers, so it's like cool. Do you use YouTube Studio?
No, I haven't yet.
So pretty much this, let me show you real quick.
Yeah, let me see it.
So the app, right?
It
Pretty
sticks
much
up everywhere.
it shows you like all the all the
Like
analytics
50 colors.
section like that.
Yeah.
So for example, like real time in the last 48
They're
hours,
everywhere.
175 views in the last 60 minutes, 79 views. And like I said, like it seems like they come in chunks for me. So it's nothing crazy. But over here we'll show you like the top videos. Like I said, I got one that has like 1,024, one that got 892, 677. But then I got some that actually stuck in the low numbers, you know what I mean? Like 7, 11 and stuff like that. But then I got some that actually do pretty good. And this will show you like the reach, how many people are reaching, the engagement, the audience, and stuff like that. And it goes like really into details if you want to. So it will help you. Will help you kind of like understand what's going on in the channel in a way, and make changes accordingly. Yeah. And you got people that are freaking, there are a few channels that I watch, kind of like to understand the whole thing, because to me, it doesn't make sense. Because like you small those that you put certain keywords on your videos and stuff like that, you know, you search and they should be able to find you. But just like understanding all the different keywords that are there and crap like that. So you got people that literally like spend days researching like keywords for their videos. But right now it's not that serious for me. And like you got programs that do all that, but you have to pay for it. It's like,
Wait, and what do the programs do?
pretty much will show you like based on what you want to title your video, for example, right? You can enter the title of your video in the program, and the program will tell you like in the last 30 days how much activity those videos, like videos similar to yours, will,
You can figure that
will
out
get.
on your own, because
Yeah,
you
you
look
can.
at fools that are doing the same
You can do that, but
content.
that's just like one of those that will be kind of like a one shot, you know.
Yeah.
So it's like if I had like a bigger channel, I would do that just because it will be a little bit more mainstream for the process, but not that serious, like I said.
that's cool. I did a ghost fade on you, so I'll give you the first video that I posted that haircut, which is nice. That's my custom fade. Since you were like, the way I do the trigger one, it's like, it goes from all the way to the top to the bottom, all the way down to the razor. Let's see if we gotta do the watch. I want to go try that Barella's coffee house and everything.
Who's that one?
It's in Barella's, wherever that is, and I think it's downtown.
Okay.
Barella's. Okay, you never heard of Barella's? I'm just kidding, it's a lot. It looks like they serve good food there. It's like red chili, green chili.
Okay, so it's kind of like
It's like a Garcia's, kind of.
okay.
Just first hit on here. I'll show you. And then watch, I'll show you the mirror for the back out drops.
Okay.